I'm Marc Sangarios Musong from BSL English 2 and welcome to my vlog. So for today, we're going to explore different patterns found in our nature. But before I start, did you know that patterns are not just found in the arts or any designs? Yes, patterns are also found in our nature. It could be in the plants or any natural structures that you see around us. So come with me and let's explore different patterns found in our nature. Let's go! So guys, I found a plant here guys. I don't know the name of this plant, but my father said that it is a Faragayo plant, and look at its pattern guys. Wow, it's amazing, right? This one is a great example of that pattern. Guys, I also found a flower here guys. Look. It's the flower of an orchid. And look how beautiful it is. This one is a great example of a symmetry pattern, and if you fold the middle on the two sides, it mirrors each other perfectly. So guys, this one is a coconut tree, and look at its pattern. Look, it's a natural cracks. This one is a great example of a crack pattern. Cracks form when a tree continue to grow and stretch. So guys, I'm here at a river near our house, and let's see or let's take a look at the waves formed by the flowing water here. This one is a great example of a wave pattern. And that's the end of our exploration guys. I hope you enjoy and learn something from me. Thank you and God bless.